Hello students, welcome to you all in chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss universal indicator and pH. Very important topic of this chapter. First of all, why do we need universal indicator when we already have natural indicator, synthetic indicator and olfactory indicator? To understand this, let's take two solutions A and B. One is acidic, other is basic. You can test it by using natural indicator or synthetic indicator. Let's say A acidic और B क्या है basic. Now test it with litmus solution. In acidic medium blue क्या हो जाएगा red. But in basic blue litmus no change. Now with red litmus, in this case red no change, but in this case red litmus क्या हो जाएगा blue. Suppose we have two acidic and two basic solution. Now which one is stronger acid out of A and C, and which of two is stronger base out of B and D? These indicators, that is natural, synthetic and olfactory indicator, give us no clue. These indicators tell us only whether the solution is acidic or basic. Therefore, we need an indicator that tells us the strength of acid or base. That is, how strong or weak a particular acid or base. That indicator is universal indicator. Now, what is this universal indicator? Universal indicator is a mixture of several indicators, and it show different colors. See on the bottle. It show different colors at different H positive ion concentration present in the solution. It helps to know whether the solution is acidic, basic or neutral, but also helps to know strength of acid or base, and it is based on pH scale. Now what is this pH or pH scale? pH scale for finding H positive ion concentration in the solution. It is introduced by Sorensen. pH. In pH, P stands for potential, that is power or potential. Or pH में H stands for hydrogen and hydrogen ion concentration. Mathematically, pH is equal to negative logarithm of hydrogen ion present in the solution or hydrogen ion concentration in solution. pH value and hydrogen ion concentration are inversely proportional. H positive ion present in solution. They are inversely proportional. Now, pH scale. pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. 0 means very acidic, 14 means very basic or alkaline. If pH 7, then it is neutral. If pH less than 7, then solution is acidic. If pH more than 7, तो solution क्या होगा हमारा basic. If value of pH is 0, then it is highly acidic. If pH 14, then highly basic or highly alkaline. You can use pH paper or universal indicator as a solution. pH of neutral solution is 7. If pH is 7, then solution is neutral. If pH less than 7, if pH is less than 7, then it is acidic solution. As the pH decrease, as the value of pH decrease from 7 to 0, value of pH decrease from 7 to 0, it means there is increase in H positive ion concentration in the solution. It means acidic nature increasing. Okay. If value of pH more than 7, that means basic solution. As the pH increase from 7 to 14, it means increase in OH negative ion concentration in the solution or basic nature increasing. Okay. If pH 7, then solution is as neutral. If pH less than 7, then acidic. If pH value more than 7, then it is basic. Value 0 means highly acidic. Value 14 on pH scale, that is very basic, or you can say alkaline.